Prime Minister Modi will inaugurate the strategically important Atal Tunnel near Rohtang Pass in Himachal today. Modi will inaugurate the tunnel at 10 a.m., will be accompanied by the Defence Minister at the inauguration. And after that, Prime Minister will be participating in public functions in Sisu, in Lahaul Spiti and at Solang Valley. The 9-kilometer-long underground tunnel connects Manali to Lahaul Spiti Valley. This strategic tunnel has been built at a cost of more than 3,500 crore rupees. It is going to be reducing the distance between Manali and Leh by 46 kilometers and is going to be reducing travel time as well. The tunnel can be used throughout the year, irrespective of the weather conditions.
Indian and Chinese troops in a standoff on the line of actual control for more than 4 months. With India dominating some of the key heights, the message is loud and clear. India won't back down. And now the world's longest road tunnel connecting Rohtang Pass with Manali will help the forces add more muscle on the border. The tunnel, set to be inaugurated on September 25th by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, will help in the movement of troops and weapons. Constructed at an altitude of 10,000 feet above sea level, the tunnel is named after former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
The tunnel on the Manali-Leh highway is 9 km long and took almost 10 years to complete. It's built at a high altitude over the 10,000 feet at the sea level in the Pir Panjal range of Himachal Pradesh. And this is strategically very important for the security forces.
The tunnel is 9 kilometers long and 10 meters wide. It will reduce the distance between Leh and Manali by 46 kilometers.
Main highlight of this tunnel is this has got an underground tunnel, which is the only one tunnel in India where there is a escape tunnel which is just below the main tunnel. Otherwise, all other tunnels, the escape tunnel is to be parallel to the main tunnel.
The tunnel, constructed for emergency situations, is designed to withstand hostile weather and avalanches. 3,000 cars and 1,500 trucks can simultaneously move through the tunnel. Strategically, the new route will ensure timely supplies of weapons and other logistics to the troops in Ladakh.
We have been able to overcome the most treacherous part of this journey. The Rohtang climbs were known to be one of the most treacherous, where we had the maximum accidents and one of the maximum snowfalls. I think this achievement has put the army at a great strategic advantage, where we are closer to Ladakh and our forces can move in much more swiftly.
The tunnel cost about 4,000 crore rupees and used Australian technology. The need for a new route was experienced most during the Kargil War. The new tunnel is crucial as many roads in Jammu and Kashmir and Rohtang in Himachal are blocked during the winter.
The prime purpose to build this tunnel to provide all-weather access to India's security forces to Leh, which is the prime military post in the line of actual control. The tunnel, after this opening, will become the important road resupplying the military supply towards line of actual control with China.
With Manjeet Negi at Rohtang Tunnel, Bureau Report, India Today.
Abhishek Bhalla is reporting from Manali-Rohtang Highway. Abhishek, if you could just walk our viewers through how this particular tunnel is going to prove to be a shot in the arm for the armed forces.
Well, Chaiti, it's not just a boost for the military, but also to the civilians living in this remote area. You know, this is built at a height of 10,000 feet. And it's very important that before the onset of winter, finally this tunnel is going to open, because it was during these winter months, about 5 to 6 months, starting late October, going up to February, March, that this area was completely cut off because of the heavy snow. So obviously the civilians will also benefit. Obviously it's a big boost for the military forces. It comes at a time when India and China have been involved in a nearly 5-month-old standoff in Ladakh. So what this means is that it will allow the Indian troop mobilization to be much quicker than what it was, since it reduces the distance from Manali to Leh by 46 kilometers. That's a huge distance. And not just this, you know, there is another road coming up on this axis, which is the third axis to Ladakh. So that too will be very beneficial as far as the military movement is concerned.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.